Today I'm going to be reviewing SODOCT Pyramid acoustic panels. This is what they look like. You get 24 of these, 12 by 12 by 2 inches. Now, when you get it, this is actually how it comes. It's going to come sealed in here. They say about 24 to 48 hours. I'm just past 24 hours. Most of them have expanded here. Some of them are still kind of thin. See, it's a little thicker right here, a little thinner over here. So it still might have a little bit of time to go in. But this is what they look like. The pattern, pretty standard for these acoustic panels. I mean, they're pretty nice if you look at them. And this does pretty well on Amazon. It is an Amazon choice. It's got a 4-star rating with 3,000 reviews, and it's an Amazon choice with 2,000 of these bought last month in October 2025. So, you know, they're really easy to put up. That's what the back looks like. You just put like a double-sided tape or construction tape on the back. It does not come with that, so you're going to need to do it yourself. And you just put it against the wall and press it on there, and then they stick. So I'm excited about these because I'm really making my studio a little bit better, so it's going to be nice to have these. So, you know, if you're looking for something like this, they have some other sizes if you need 8 by 8, 12 by 12, and different thicknesses. But I'm excited to have them. That's what they look like. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.